Yo, yo, yo! What's up, music lovers? I'm Rhythm, your guide to the beat of the streaming world. Today we're breaking it down. How much moolah you can make from 1 million streams on different platforms. Let's get it. First up, SoundCloud.
1 million streams gets you about $2,000. Not bad.
Spotify, $4,000 for 1 million streams. Twice as nice, but we're just warming up. Apple Music, now they know the value of a groove. $7,000 for your masterpiece. Cha-ching.
And YouTube, just $1,000. Oof. That's a light snare hit when we were hoping for a big drum roll.
So here's the recap. SoundCloud,
Nice.
2K. Spotify, 4K.
Rhythm,
Apple
that's
Music,
money,
7K. YouTube, 1K.
Nice.
Different stages, different payouts. But hey, it's all about putting your art out there and keeping the beat alive. For more information, please like, comment, and subscribe.